Hi, welcome to our first video of the Tips and Tricks series. These videos will help you better understand how to use the GIS maps and tools produced by the TPG GIS mapping team. In this video, we will use the TPG Property Viewer version 3.2 to demonstrate how you can use the search box to find a property or a place, view overlaying property information from multiple layers, and outline properties using different colors. You can open the Property Viewer from our Inside Team page by clicking on Operations, Team Pages, and you will see some links at the top of our page for quick access to our tools and resources. Let's click on the TPG Property Viewer link. Once loaded, locate the search box on the top left of your screen. Before typing in the search box, make sure to click on the drop-down and select what you want to search. First, I can search for an address. For example, let's find a new TPG office in Auckland. I can type in the address or simply copy and paste it from somewhere else. Once the map zooms to the property, do you notice how the pin is dropped on the street rather than on the actual property? Since I'm unsure which parcel corresponds to the correct address, I can turn on the house numbers layer from the property layers, and I can now see on which side of the street the property is located. Now, if we go back to our initial extent of New Zealand by clicking on the home icon, I could also decide to find this property using the title rather than the address. In this case, I select title from the drop-down. Again, I can copy, paste, or type in the title. And once I have found a property of interest, I can click on the parcel to view more information. The pop-up information that first displays when you click on a parcel is the valuation ID. Property information layers are available from the Property Layers pane. If you click on the arrows at the top of the pop-up window, you can view information from multiple layers that are overlapping on the map. In this way, you can view information sourced from LINs such as the NZ primary parcels and ownership information. The data sourced from the LINs data services is being updated every week on our server. Now, if I want to outline this property in red, I can use the Outline Properties tool accessible from the tools at the bottom of the map. And I can choose to outline the property using the parcel information or the title. Let's try using the title. You can either type it in or copy-paste it from somewhere else, and then click on Search. Under Previous Selection, click on the three small dots to access more options, and then select Change Symbol. Here you can decide on the outline width, the color, and you can also add a fill color and transparency. Note that every new outline you create will appear at the top of the list in the Property Layers pane. Which means that if you create a new outline after this one, for example, let's use the parcel ID of the neighboring parcel. The previous outline will disappear, but still be available in the Property Layers pane and can be turned on and off as needed. Now, if the map you want to create is very complex, contains multiple parcels to outline, and requires drawing areas and adding text to the map, you may want to send a mapping request to our team rather than create the map yourself. To do so, you can quickly access our mapping request form from the Help pane. When clicking on the link, the online form opens in your browser for you to fill out and submit. Also, if you don't know which product to request, take a look at our products catalog by clicking on the link available on the form or from the Help pane in the TPG Property Viewer. Thank you for watching this video, and please feel free to contact our team if you need help or have any questions.